How to import image in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how you can import an image in Photopea. Now, as you can see, I have an image currently on my canvas, and you might be wondering how I imported it. Just don't worry, follow me as I show you how I did so in this tutorial. The first thing to do, sorry, is to log in into your Photopea account, just like I have done here. Once you're logged in, the next thing to do is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see a menu displaying some tabs such as File, Edit, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, etc. And then you click on the File option. Once you click on File, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, you see other options such as New, Open and Place, Open More, Share, Save, etc. Just go ahead and click on Open. Alright, once you click on Open, you'll be redirected to the devices files where you can see other images that can be imported to the Photopea account. So just select it, click on Open, and then you wait for it to load. So it has loaded and this image has been imported, alright, as you can see it. And then you can now go ahead and edit this image you want. And then once you're done, go back to the file option, click on save. And then once you click on save, you will be asked how you want to save it, alright. I did not wait to do that before this. So let's go back now. Click on save. And then once you click on save, you can see a box displayed next to save asking you how you want to save it. Select the way you want to save it. All right, you want to save it as a png, as a pst, select it. And once you selected it, the image will be saved automatically to your device. So this is how you can import image in Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.